We will continue exercise 5a. Okay, look at question 4 now. We have to identify like terms in the following. Okay, so look here now. A part here, for like terms, the variables should be same and their power should also be same. So look for them. Here we have variable p, here pq. So they are not like p, and here p. Don't look at the numbers, just look at the variable only. So p and p, so they are like terms. P and 2p are like terms, and no p, no. Now pq here, and here also qp, peq and qp, same variables. Okay, order is not that important here, so variable should be same, order can be different. So pq and minus qp, and here also pq. So these three are like, these two are like, and these three are like. Okay, look here. So p and 2p are like terms, pq minus qp and 4pq are like terms. In C part, here p is there, and here is the p. Okay, so 7p and minus p, they are like terms. Here it is q and q here also. So these two are also like. Here it is pq, so it is different. These two are like, and these two are like terms. So write it here. 7p and minus p, they are like, and minus 3q and q are like, and this is alone, so write it there. Then come to question 5. Identify polynomials in the given expression. So now polynomials, we'll look at which are not which are not polynomials. Okay, so if variable is in the denominator, or a variable has negative power, or a variable has a power which is not a natural number or a whole number, if a variable has a power in fraction, that is, so in these three cases they are not called polynomials. So here it is a polynomial because variable is power is positive and not in fraction also. But here the power is, variable is in denominator, that means the power is negative here. So negative powers are not polynomial. So this is not a polynomial. Here also variable is in denominator, so it is not a polynomial. Here variable has positive power. Okay, here also. Okay, if there is no variable, that means variable has power 0. Okay, so this is also polynomial. And here all positive powers of the variables, here also, here also, here also. So this is also a polynomial. So an expression is not a polynomial only when a variable has negative power, it is in denominator, okay, or the power is in fraction. So here only these two are not polynomials. Okay, so A, D, E and F are polynomials. Okay, come to question 6 now. Degree of a polynomial. Okay. So how to find degree of a polynomial? Okay, just look at the top of the page here. Okay, just go through these points. Okay, read it carefully, and it's very simple to find degree of a polynomial. So here it says sum of all the powers of the variables in the term. Okay, so degree means sum of all the powers of the variables in the term. So it is to find degree of a term, not a polynomial. So how? First we'll find degree of all the terms, then only we can find degree of the polynomial. So to find degree of a term, we'll add powers of all the variables. Okay, look here, suppose our term is 3ab. So here A has power 1, B has power 1. Okay, A has 1, B has 1, and if you add them, then the power is 2. Okay, so power of this term is 2, and power of this term, here A has 1, B has 2, and C has 4. Add them, so the power of this term is 7. So we can find like this power of each term, and then we can find the highest power. Okay, so highest power is the degree of the polynomial. Okay, read this. The degree of a polynomial refers to the highest power. Okay, highest power of variables among the different terms in the polynomial. Okay, so we'll find powers of each term. Suppose we have 3 terms here, power of this term, power of this term, and power of this term. The highest power among these 3 will be the degree. Okay, so now look at question 6a part. Okay, power of 3a square. Here only one variable is there, A, and power is 2. So power is 2 here, and here A is here, power is 1. So 1. Here no variable, so power is 0. So 1 and 2, which is greater? 2. So degree is 2 here. Okay, so degree of this polynomial is 2. This is the highest, 2. Now look at C part. 18ab, 15a minus abc. Here we have 2 variables. Power of A is 1, power of B is 1. Add them, 1 and 1, 2. So degree of this polynomial is 2. Okay, degree of 18ab is 2. Now next term is 15a. So power of 15a, only one variable is there and 1 is there, power. So 1. Now next term is ABC. 1 power, 1 power, and 1 power. So add them and we have 3. So power of this term is 3. Which is highest? 2, 1 and 3. 3 is the highest power. Okay, so this is the degree of the polynomial. Write it here as 3. Okay, now you can complete the exercise. Okay, do the remaining parts and complete it, and we'll start next exercise in the next class. Okay, and go through these examples for the next exercise.